Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about the Python program which is used to check whether the given input is a digit or a lowercase letter or a uppercase letter or a special character. This is the program. Let us discuss this program statement by statement. When we run this program, it prompts the user to enter a character. So for that we are using input method. And what is the character will be entered by the user? We are storing that in a variable character. Now, if you want to check the entered character is digit, we have a predefined method called isDigit. And here one more important point, Python doesn't have inbuilt data type character. The character is also treated as string type in Python. See here, type is a method in Python which is used to know data type of a given parameter. So here the parameter is single character. So if you run this program, we are getting the output that is class string type. So here the character is also treated as string type. Now see this. Internally, this character variable is treated as an object. If you want to call any method or any attribute, we must call it with help of the object. So in the Python, every variable acts as an object. So we can call the method isDigit with help of the object character. Okay, the variable acts as an object in Python. Every variable treated as an object in Python. Now see, here we are using if condition, if character dot isDigit. As per the syntactical rules, that must be ends with colon. If this is true, if the given character is a digit, I want to print the character is a digit. And one more important point, in Python we are using indentation. Observe here, after the if statement, we must give this space, nothing but indentation. This tells this print statement belongs to this if block. To create the block in C, C++, we use braces, open and closing braces to represent a block. But in Python, we are using indentation. This may not be true also. In such cases, I want to check one more condition with help of the else if. To implement else if, the keyword we use in Python is elif. The meaning is else if. So to check the given character is lowercase letter, we are using the predefined method isLower, character that isLower. If it is true, this statement will be executed. In that what we are writing, the given character is a lowercase letter. That also may or may not be true. If the given character is uppercase letter, the condition becomes true and this print statement will be executed. We will get the message like the character is an uppercase letter. If all these three conditions are false, then else part will be executed. If all the conditions are false means the entered character is not a digit, lowercase letter and not a uppercase letter also. Obviously, that should be a special character. Directly you can print the given character is special character. That's it. I think the code is clear and very simple also. Go to run module. Enter a character. Let me enter capital A. Hit enter button. Now see the output is the character is an uppercase letter. Let us check another case. Let me enter lowercase letter in this case. Press enter. The character is lowercase letter. So in this case, I want to enter digit. Then hit enter button, the character is a digit. Check the another case, I want to enter a special character. Then press enter. The character is a special character. So we checked all the cases. I think the program is clear. If this video is useful to you, please do subscribe the channel, share the videos, like the videos. Thank you.